Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're exploring one of the oldest and most fascinating cities in Europe, Plovdiv, Bulgaria. With its ancient Roman ruins, colorful old houses, vibrant art districts, and breathtaking viewpoints, Plovdiv is a city where history and modern culture come together beautifully. In this video, we'll take you through 7 of the best places to visit in Plovdiv. From the impressive ancient theater and the historic charm of Plovdiv Old Town to the lively Kapana Creative District and the magical singing fountains, these destinations showcase the unique beauty and rich heritage of this remarkable city. Get ready to discover stunning landmarks, cultural treasures, and unforgettable views as we explore the 7 best places in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. Let's get started. 7. Plovdiv Old Town. The Plovdiv Old Town is one of the most charming and historic areas in Plovdiv, offering visitors a journey through centuries of culture and architecture. Perched on gentle hills above the modern city, the Old Town is famous for its narrow cobblestone streets, colorful 19th-century houses, and beautifully preserved buildings from the Bulgarian National Revival period. Walking through this historic district feels like stepping back in time, where every corner reveals elegant wooden balconies, painted facades, and intricate decorative details. The beauty of Plovdiv Old Town lies not only in its architecture, but also in its peaceful atmosphere and cultural richness. Many of the historic houses have been transformed into museums, galleries, and cultural centers that showcase traditional Bulgarian art, history, and craftsmanship. Landmarks such as the ancient theater of Philippopolis and old churches add to the historic charm, creating a unique blend of Roman heritage and Bulgarian tradition. Surrounded by scenic viewpoints and leafy courtyards, the Old Town offers stunning panoramic views over the city of Plovdiv. Its timeless streets, vibrant colors, and artistic spirit make it one of the most beautiful and memorable places to explore in Bulgaria. For travelers, Plovdiv Old Town captures the true soul of the city, where history, culture, and beauty come together in a truly enchanting setting. 6. Roman Stadium of Philippopolis. The Roman Stadium of Philippopolis is one of the most fascinating historical landmarks in Plovdiv, revealing the city's deep connection to its ancient Roman past. Built during the 2nd century AD under the rule of Emperor Hadrian, the stadium once hosted athletic competitions, gladiator games, and large public gatherings. Although much of the structure lies beneath the modern city, a well-preserved section can still be seen in the center of Plovdiv, allowing visitors to admire its impressive stone seats and architectural design. The beauty of the Roman stadium lies in the striking contrast between ancient history and modern urban life. Surrounded by lively streets, cafes, and shops, the ruins stand as a powerful reminder of the city's long and rich history. Visitors can stand beside the ancient marble steps and imagine the excitement of thousands of spectators who once gathered here nearly 2,000 years ago. This remarkable site adds a unique historical charm to Plovdiv and highlights why the city is considered one of the oldest continuously inhabited places in Europe. 5. Ethnographic Museum. The Ethnographic Museum is one of the most beautiful cultural landmarks in Plovdiv, located in the historic district of Plovdiv Old Town. The museum is housed in the magnificent Quiamzugla House, a stunning 19th century building known for its elegant Bulgarian National Revival architecture. With its richly decorated facade, curved wooden balconies, and colorful exterior, the building itself is considered one of the most impressive historic houses in the city. Inside the museum, visitors can explore a fascinating collection of exhibits that showcase traditional Bulgarian culture and everyday life from past centuries. The rooms are filled with beautifully preserved clothing, handcrafted tools, furniture, and folk art that reflect the region's traditions and craftsmanship. The combination of historic architecture, artistic decoration, and cultural heritage makes the Ethnographic Museum a captivating place where visitors can experience the beauty and history of Bulgarian life in Plovdiv. 4. Alyosha Monument. The Alyosha Monument stands proudly on Bynardzik Hill, overlooking the beautiful city of Plovdiv. This impressive monument features a tall statue of a Soviet soldier and was built to honor the Soviet army that played a role in the liberation of Bulgaria during World War II. Rising high above the city, the monument has become one of Plovdiv's most recognizable landmarks and an important historical symbol. Beyond its historical significance, the Alyosha Monument is also admired for the stunning panoramic views it offers. From the top of Bynardzik Hill, visitors can enjoy breathtaking sights of Plovdiv's rooftops, hills, and distant mountains. The surrounding park, with its walking paths and greenery, creates a peaceful atmosphere where visitors can relax while taking in the scenic beauty of the city. The combination of history, nature, and spectacular viewpoints makes the Alyosha Monument a memorable place to visit in Plovdiv. 3. Dzhumaya Mosque. The Dzhumaya Mosque is one of the most prominent historical landmarks in Plovdiv, located in the heart of the city near the remains of the Roman stadium of Philippopolis. Originally built during the Ottoman period in the 14th century and later rebuilt in the 15th century, the mosque stands as an impressive example of early Ottoman architecture. Its distinctive red and white brick arches, large central dome, and elegant design make it one of the most recognizable buildings in the city center. Inside the mosque, visitors can admire a peaceful prayer hall decorated with traditional carpets and simple yet beautiful architectural details. The calm and spiritual atmosphere provides a quiet contrast to the lively streets surrounding it. As one of the oldest active mosques in Bulgaria, Dzhumaya Mosque represents an important part of Plovdiv's diverse cultural and historical heritage, reflecting the many civilizations that have shaped the city over the centuries. 2. Singing Fountain. The Singing Fountain are one of the most captivating attractions in the city of Plovdiv. Located in the beautiful Tsar Simeon Garden, these fountains are famous for their spectacular water shows that combine music, colorful lights, and dancing streams of water. During the evening, the fountains come alive with vibrant colors and synchronized movements, creating a magical atmosphere that attracts both locals and visitors. As music plays through the park, the fountains perform a choreographed display where jets of water rise and fall in rhythm with the melodies. The reflections of the colorful lights on the water add to the enchanting scene, making it a perfect place for an evening stroll or a relaxing break after exploring the city. Families, couples, and travelers often gather around the fountain area to watch the show and enjoy the lively ambience. Surrounded by green lawns, walking paths, and flower gardens, the Singing Fountains offer a peaceful yet vibrant setting in the heart of Plovdiv. The combination of music, light, and water makes this attraction one of the most memorable nighttime experiences in the city and a beautiful place to witness the modern charm of Plovdiv alongside its rich historical heritage. 1. Kapana Creative District. The Kapana Creative District is one of the most vibrant and artistic areas in Plovdiv. Known as the Trap, Kapana is a lively neighborhood filled with narrow pedestrian streets, colorful buildings, and creative energy. The district is famous for its striking street art, murals, and unique decorations that transform ordinary streets into an open-air art gallery. Walking through Kapana, visitors are surrounded by bright colors, artistic designs, and a lively atmosphere that makes the area feel dynamic and inspiring. The beauty of Kapana lies in its creative spirit and youthful vibe. The district is home to many art galleries, craft shops, cozy cafes, and trendy restaurants where local artists and visitors gather. With its colorful charm and energetic atmosphere, Kapana Creative District represents the modern artistic soul of Plovdiv and has become one of the most exciting places to explore in the city. Thank you for joining us as we explored 7 of the best places to visit in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. From the ancient history of the Roman Stadium and the beautiful streets of Plovdiv Old Town to the lively atmosphere of the Kapana Creative District and the colorful singing fountains, this incredible city offers a perfect mix of history, culture, and charm. If you enjoyed this journey through Plovdiv, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing travel destinations from around the world. Let us know in the comments which place in Plovdiv you would love to visit the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.